Imagine making $100 a day without spending a single dollar, using nothing but AI tools that are completely free. Rock it! In this video, I'll show you step by step how to go from zero to creating income streams using ChatGPT, Flicky AI, in YouTube. No experience required. Stick with me until the end, because I'll also share a pro tip that will help you scale this method to $500 plus per day. Step 1 is simple. Head over to digistore24.com, create a free account, and log in. After filling up few details for the first time sign up, you can log in and use store without any hindrance. No website, no apps necessary. Digistore24 is an affiliate marketplace, meaning you promote products that are already selling, and you earn commissions up to 70% of the sale. Once you're inside, go to the Marketplace tab. Here you'll find hundreds of digital products you can promote. You can choose product for varieties of marketing niche, like health and supplements products, gadgets, books, and many other. There are more than thousands of high-value products to choose from. Next, select a product you like. For example, here's one that pays $50 per sale. Copy the affiliate link. Now, instead of struggling to sell, let ChatGPT do the heavy lifting. Open ChatGPT and type. Write a YouTube script that reviews the product name, highlights benefits, and encourages viewers to click my link. Use good prompts to deliver excellent products for your followers. You are now a professional YouTube script writer. I'm working on this YouTube video, paste title, and I need you to write a 2,000-word long YouTube script. Here is the formula you're going to follow. You need to follow a formula that goes like this. Hook, 3 to 15 seconds. Intro, 15 to 30 seconds. Body of explanation, introduce a problem, challenge exploration, development, climax, key moment, conclusion, summary, call to action, 10 second tags. Within seconds, ChatGPT gives you a ready-to-use script. Now you can use this script to create video from studio or simply using AI video generator. What if you could create a professional video in just minutes, without filming, editing, or even recording videos? Today, I'll show you how to use Flicky AI to turn simple text into stunning videos, perfect for YouTube, TikTok, or marketing. Closely sign in with Google account and write your background and other videos. With Flicky, all you do is paste your script, pick a realistic AI voice, and choose visuals. In seconds, your video is ready, complete with music and voiceover. Normally, making videos takes hours of editing or expensive freelancers. But with Flicky, it's automated and free to start. Here's the magic. One click, and Flicky gives you a ready-to-publish video that looks and sounds professional. With Flicky AI, you can turn text into a full video in just minutes. I'll walk you through exactly how the Flicky process works, step by step. Step 1. Paste your script and you can run. Step 2. Choose from dozens of realistic AI.
Flicky idea to video.
Step 3. Flicky automatically matches stock images and video to your text. Normally, creating a video takes hours of editing and voiceovers. That's time-consuming and costly. But with Flicky, in just one click, your professional quality video is ready to publish on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. That's how simple Flicky AI is. Scripting, video editing. Try it today and supercharge your content creation. Here you go through some steps, and next your video will be start processing.
Montage with Flicky interface plus cinematic B-roll of YouTube videos. Intro 0:10 to 0:20.
Now go to your YouTube channel and upload the video download from Flicky AI. Fill title of the video with ChatGPT to generate good SEO-optimized title and video description. It will take some time to complete the process, but if you fill the all details nicely and truly, then your video can go multiple views or go viral. In the description, add your affiliate